In a world of high-speed packaging, precision, flexibility, and energy efficiency are non-negotiable. The VEGA HT series offers a wide range of shrink film solutions tailored to the beverage, food, oil, detergent, and consumer goods sectors. Designed for speeds up to 150 cycles per minute, VEGA HT adapts to your production demands, available in single, dual, or triple track setups. Flexibility comes standard, whether you need film-only packs, pad and film, tray and film, or tray only. Precision-wrapped packs are transferred into our advanced shrink tunnels, available in 3.6, 5, or 8 meters, depending on your airflow, temperature, and dwell time needs. Thanks to optimized thermodynamics and forced ventilation control, the VEGA HT reduces energy consumption by up to 40% over previous technologies, without compromising performance. VEGA HT from OCME USA, engineered for speed, designed for versatility, and built for the future of sustainable packaging.